Hello everyone, it's me Elsie, and today I'm playing Where's the Babby with a special guest.
Snowy Paws.
Hi, Snowy Paws.
Snowy Paws.
Snowy Paws.
Oh, people want to do Nightmare.
Nightmare.
Cashmere. Oh man, I'm a baby. You want me to help me to kill you? I mean, kill people. Okay,
Wait, can I kill? Okay. So basically, we're just gonna play Where's the Babby.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try to find a lock, knowing me.
I'm going to destroy the power. Ah!
I will protect you.
Help! Help!
I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna go in the vent.
Ah! She can't get over here.
Knife.
Oh, okay, perfect. He's chasing the other parent.
I found the gasoline.
Oh, jeez.
I found the gasoline. Do you want?
Yes, please.
I want to get it. In fact, I don't want anyone to get it.
Where is it?
It's in a cabinet where the knife is. Come on.
Okay, sorry. Oh, shoot. How am I watching the dirty dishes?
Come on, hurry.
I'm trying!
Is there a girl there?
Haha. She
Run.
get whacked.
Come on.
She get whacked.
Oh, come on.
I'm trying to. Hehehehe. What's this soothing music? Okay.
I'm right here. Right, yeah. You see it?
Ah!
I didn't
Sorry.
you.
Oh, you punched me?
Yeah.
I thought I punched. Okay, I gotta go.
Oh God.
Is there another baby?
I'm gonna lock them somewhere. I can find a lock.
There. Oh my gosh. I have to go up here. Hey, how is she killing me? No, baby. Bubba.
How is that
Bobby.
open? Come on.
I'm stuck.
You gotta restore the gas.
I'm trying.
Come on, let's go. You faster.
No, I'm not.
Go. You're just getting killed. You realize that, right?
Oh, I was just running into it. Oh my god.
I'm right there.
Oh.
It's fine.
Oh. Is that you?
Yeah.
That's you.
I'll kill the other baby. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, shoot.
Run.
I'm trying.
I'm gonna protect you. No, she has the knife. Nope.
It's okay.
No, baby, no, baby, no.
Yeah, she can't get me right here.
No.
Oh, I'm about to die.
I'm gonna get your name. Come on, hurry up. There's only 33 seconds.
Why? Let's play hide and seek.
Put on your face cam.
I don't want to.
Oh. What if I did? Oh, you won.
Okay, hide and seek. Oh, dang it! I thought we were gonna do the trick. I guess I won't. Wait.
I'm gonna help you. You realize that, right?
Okay, I will just follow this girl and see where she goes. You can watch.
You could tell me where she is.
Wait, then how? Wait, but that will die from the other parent. She's following me. Okay, I see how it is.
Go in the vent. Get the hammer. Go in the vent. I'll prevent the. I'll prevent
no,
this
but
chick. Do you want me to give you the hammer?
Yes. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm in the.
Okay.
It's the vents are glued.
Weird.
Okay, you gotta help.
Yeah.
Help!
Run.
Okay, I died. Seek! How come it's the opposite now? Okay, I'll help you.
Really?
Yep.
I want to get into the vent. Will you give me the hammer?
Yeah, I'll try. Just meet me somewhere.
I'm gonna see if there's a lock.
Just make decoys. There's butter.
I don't need butter.
7,
I never
6. Okay, I'll help. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I have to try and help you. Really? Really? Oh, shoot, I shouldn't have done that. Okay.
I'm
So-
in the little baby drawers.
In the baby drawers?
Yeah,
Wait, there's no hammer.
what about the shed?
There's a hammer in the shed.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's okay, it's me, it's me, it's me. Okay, you have to... Okay, I'm gonna go get the hammer. Oh. Never mind. Okay, so guys, I have to get the hammer for Snowy Paws. There's no hammer.
Ah! Cover me in the pool.
Okay, oh,
Meet me there. I want. Wait. I want the person to see and be like. I want the person to see. So get ready.
okay. Go in the pool. Well, don't, I don't know.
I'm just gonna wait right here. Okay. I want the person to see.
Oh yeah, just keep jumping and then she'll hear you. Yeah, like that. You can hear her.
I'm dying.
Wait, what?
I'm dying.
What do you mean you're dying? What?
No, free play.
Okay.
Free play's fun. Do you want to be a baby and go in the vent?
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Boy.
Yeah.
That was loud. So, okay, for
Baby.
those who don't know the secret,
I hope they
I'm a babby.
Oh gosh. Come on, guys. We're all babbies. This is a baby house.
Okay, so let's go get the hammer.
I
Can I
need
get the
a
hammer?
And a couple keys.
Yeah. Come here. Wait, where's the hammer? She took
Get the
it.
I'll get the other one.
But I want the hammer. Can I have the hammer?
Yeah.
Yay. How did she steal it? I'm the one that got up there first.
Maybe she climbed on your fat head.
No, she didn't. I do have a bear for a head. There's no other
Yeah,
hammer.
yeah,
Oh,
right.
yes, there is. Wait.
Can you grab me the crowbar? I'm gonna paint.
Wait, I
everything.
can't grab the crowbar because I can't drop it.
What do you mean?
There's no possible way for me to drop it.
That's fine.
Okay, meet me in the basement.
You press Q to drop it.
Oh, I thought you pressed backspace.
Did you get the paintbrush?
I don't have the paintbrush.
Oh, I need to get it.
This used to be different. There used to be like stone.
Oh god, this is a paintbrush. Haha! Suck it, girl.
Why won't it break? Snowy Paws, look. This part won't break. Oh my gosh. Okay, finally. Can I move it? I can't. Okay, well, that's nothing. Okay, well, I'm going to go
I'm
in the...
making everything ice cream.
Don't paint me. I don't want to be painted.
Just making everything ice cream.
Okay.
This is an ugly color. It needs to die. Give me that hammer.
You guys, you're about to see what I'm gonna do. Haha. I'm stuck. Perfect. Now this one.
There's pink paint. There's pink paint.
Okay, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big old thumbs up. And thank you, Snowy Paws, for joining us. Bye.
I'm still here.
Yeah.
In the garbage.
Okay. Wait. Stand on my big fat head. No, we need a paint can.
Grab a paint can.
Oh my god, the thing's about to end. I'm probably gonna edit this out.
Yeah, edit it out.
Okay, I got the paint can. Got blue.
Dang, it's really
Uh.
Stop flipping it. Much better. Okay, now. Okay, push it. No.
I'm trying!
You're a mean baby.
Okay, try it. Go. Go.
I'm going. I'm too fat.
No! What the heck? Ah!
It's not supposed to happen. I'm too fat.
I will do
I'm
it.
massive.
Ah! Dang it!
I don't have any curves. I'm fat.
No!
I'm
Oh,
stuck in the paint can.
we can't go in. Whatever. Well,
Sleep left.
sleep away. Okay, I'm not that up.
Hey, there's a Pokeball in the shed. I just saw it.
Oh, I want. Can I have it?
Yeah. Get in there.
Where? Where?
Alright.
Yo, Kermit! No. That's it. Silly Paws! What the heck?
You have to say I'm the best YouTuber ever before I can let you out. You see this key? Huh? You want? Do not punch me!
Haha!
Okay, you have to say it before I even let you out. Say it. Say it.
I did!
No.
I said it in my brain.
Okay, then I'll leave you there. Watch me out the window. Literally, watch me. Stop throwing a tantrum. Literally, watch me leave out the window. Huh?
Look. Hey! I thought we were having fun. Okay, seriously, let me out.
No.
Why?
They see me rolling. They hate it. Oh, wait, I'm gonna lock
Is
this
it-
girl in there. I'm gonna lock this girl in there.
Okay. Ah! Help.
No, let her
Go.
in.
Let her in.
Ah!
Really?
Make her go in here.
Pokeball in the shed. The shed.
Yes.
Shed. Pokeball in the shed. She doesn't want it.
That's it. I'm gonna lock her anyways.
Well, don't show the lock to her, then she knows what you're up to.
Don't. No. Give her to that orange. Stop looking at my butt. I see you.
I close myself.
Okay, ball.
Did
Trying to lock the door.
you?
Stop punching
I didn't mean to. It is locked.
Oh. Okay.
I have the key.
Okay.
Hey!
I didn't do anything.
I saw you punch me! Aw.